Check out this 2008 Scion TC. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.